Hey, what's up you guys? I'm Aaron with U-Haul. I'm sure a lot of you have noticed that during trips, you'll hear your ball mount just shaking while you're towing your trailer. So we're gonna take a look at the anti-rattle kit that will help eliminate that rattle in your hitch receiver. Let's take a closer look at how it works. Now our first step is to install our lock nut into our drawbar. Now we want to make sure that the welded nut is on the passenger side of our drawbar, but this just slides in and lines up with that hole. And it has this tab where on some hitch receivers it will just help lock it into place, but it's not quite long enough to reach our pinhole. So we're going to need to pull it out. And then using a pair of pliers, we're going to bend this tab flat. So now that it's flat, we're going to take it and reinstall it into our drawbar until our two pinholes line up. And then we're going to line it up with our hitch receiver. And I just want to point out that even when you shake the drawbar, this stays into place. It's nice and tight. So we're going to line it up with our pinholes. Now our kit comes with a lock washer and our threaded pin. We're just going to insert it and tighten it up as much as we can by hand. And once we have it as tight as we can, we'll use a 3/4 or 19mm socket to tighten it up all the way. And then you can see that this eliminates all of the rattle in our drawbar. Now on the other side, we're just going to take our provided pin and secure it into place. So that wraps up the anti-rattle kit. As you can see, it was easy to use and eliminates that rattle. So now you're ready to tow on your next trip. If you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to take a closer look at one, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center, or you can visit us online at uhaul.com. Thank you.